Hello everyone. I hope that you are fine and well. So today I'm going to explain the new topic of the chapter Units and Measurement of class 11th, and that is conversion of one system of units to another. So this conversion of one system of unit to another is depend on the fact that the magnitude of physical quantity remains the same whatever may be the system of units. Okay, suppose if if u1 and u2 are the units of measurement of physical quantity q, and n1 and n2 are the corresponding numerical values, then q will be equal to u1 n1 is equal to u2 n2. Okay, so this n1 and n2, n1 or n2 we can find out by converging in each other. Suppose let m1, l1 and t1 be the sizes of fundamental units of mass, length and time in one system, and m2, l2 and t2 be the corresponding units in another system. So if the dimensional formula of the quantity q is m to the power a, l to the power b and t to the power c, then u1 will be m1a, l1b and t1c, and u2 will be equal to m2a, l2b, t2 to the power c. So by the formula we know that n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. So we can put this value of u1 and u2 in this formula, so we will get n1 m1 to the power a, l1 to the power b, t1 to the power c, and n2 into m2 to the power a, l2 to the power b and t2 to the power c. It's okay. Now by interchanging n2, therefore n2 will be n1 into m1 to the power a, l1 to the power b and t1 to the power c upon m2 to the power a, l2 to the power b and t2 to the power c. Now again we can write n2 is equal to n1 and m1 upon m2 to the power a, because power is same. Again l1 upon l2 to the power b and t1 upon t2 to the power C. So this equation can be used to find out the numerical value in seconds or new system of units. So this is the equation by which we can find out the value of n2 in another units. Okay, now I have taken an example on the basis of this formula in which we can convert one unit to the another unit. So by the example we can convert joule into erg. Okay, so we know that joule is the SI unit of energy and erg is also the unit of energy in CGS system, and the dimensional formula of energy is mL squared T minus 2. Okay, this is the dimensional formula of energy. We know it already. I have given the homework to find out the dimensional formula of energy, so I hope that you have already find it. So by this dimensional formula of energy we can get the power of m is 1, okay, and B is 2 and C is minus 2. It's clear? Now we will write SI unit and CGS system or unit. We know that M1 is mass, and mass is taken in kg, and we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, okay, in CGS system. Next, L1 and length is always measured in meter, so 1 meter in centimeter, or in CGS system that will be 100 centimeter, and time T1 that will be 1 second, whatever it's SI or CGS, okay, and N1 we will take 1 joule. Okay, in CGS system we know that M2 is equal to 1 gram, L2 is equal to 1 centimeter, and T2 is equal to 1 second, and N2 we have to find out, and that is in erg. It's clear? So now we know that the formula we have already derived the formula, and that is N2 is equal to N1 M1 upon M2 to the power A, L1 upon L2 to the power B, and T1 upon T2 to the power C. So by putting all the values at here, N1 is 1 joule, so we will put 1, and m1 will be 1000 gram and m2 will be 1 gram and power is 1, and again length is 100 centimeter and L2 will 1 centimeter and the power B will be 2 and time will be 1 second, and in other unit that will also in second, and the power of it is -2. It's clear? Now we will solve it and we will get 1000, and here it will be 100 square. 100 square means 10,000 and 1 to the power -2, that will be 1. So now we will get 10 to the power 7 erg. So we can write 1 joule uh, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. So we have already converted it joule into erg. So in 1 joule we know that it's 10 to the power 7 erg. So I hope that you have understood this. So thanks and have a good day.